Hi, I'm Jacqui from Abberton Rural Training. This is Stay at Home, Grow Your Own. Today I'm going to be showing you another free way of getting plants and vegetables, and that's using butternut squash seeds. These are just a few seeds that I collected out of a butternut squash when I was chopping it up for our Sunday dinner. You can use any squash seeds, including pumpkin. I've dried the seeds out on the windowsill for a few days, and now they're ready to plant. I prepared a pot, filled it to within a couple of centimetres of the top with compost, and I've got some drainage in the bottom with some broken crop. I've got the seeds and I want to plant these ones on their sides and just within a couple of centimetres of the top, spread out around the edges of the pot. Gently cover over, water, and set aside into a sunny space, water regularly, and you should see them coming up within a few weeks' time. These are going to get quite squashed in this pot, so they will need thinning out when they come. But I want to see how many strike first, and that means how many actually sprout. We'll be covering thinning out in a future video. Thank you for watching, happy planting, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.